What's up guys, it's Harley with FastLab, and today we're doing our modular MOLLE plate system for the spare tire carrier on the YXZ1000. So with this kit, we've added even more storage options to the YXZ1000. This is all TIG welded, fully gusseted. We also have included the Rotopax bolt pattern, so you can add whatever Rotopax you have and extend your riding trips even further. So installation is simple. Remove your factory center ring on your wheel, slide your plate in, and use the included quick hitch pin in the back.